Welcome everybody to Omnisend's Marketing Tips series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase sales. Now, yesterday we talked about message content for abandoned cart emails. Today, I want to discuss the age-old question, should you discount? Well, the answer is, it depends. Let me explain. Can a discount help you convince shoppers to complete their purchase? Yes. That doesn't mean you should offer one. Each discount means you generate less profit per order. When deciding whether or when to offer a discount, there are some things to consider. First, will you be doing other forms of retargeting, such as paid social and search? If so, these come with a much higher cost than sending an email. If you can save money on those other forms of retargeting due to offering a discount via email, it might be worth it. Second, do you offer a discount for signing up for your emails? If you're willing to offer 10% when you aren't sure if they're going to purchase, but they have some level of intent, why not make the same offer when they're showing high intent? Now, if you decide to offer a discount, it doesn't mean you need to offer one right away. There are smarter ways to incentivize your abandoned cart message. Instead of offering a discount in your first message, you might want to wait until the second or third message, especially if you optimize your messages to feed into their intent. Or instead of offering a discount, which is just blanket, consider using a minimum order amount to qualify for the savings. This can also help you increase your average order value. Now, there are some other strategies with discounts, but deciding on a simple form of discount like a percentage off is a great place to start. But don't be afraid to use workflow splits and test different incentives. That's why they're there. If you don't offer a discount, it's especially important to focus on optimizing your messages to build consumer confidence and pique their interest. Now, when deciding on a discount, understand there is no right or wrong answer. Make a decision that's best for your brand. There are other ways to make more personalized discounts, and I'll discuss these later in the series. Now that you have your basic messaging and discount strategy plan, you need to send your messages. But when should you send them? I'll discuss this tomorrow, so be sure to check back. Thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tips series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove to you how we can help you double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing.